Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable circle to search on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, search circle to search. Now from here, just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on accept. Now from here, go to settings. Now from here, tap on Digital Assistant app. Now from here, select circle to search. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now, if you tap and hold on your home button, you can enable circle to search. Now from here, tap on accept. Now from here, you can circle on anything on the screen to search it. Just like that. You can also open any web page and circle anything on the screen, just like that. And this is how you can enable circle to search on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.